Hi guys, mayong buntag. This morning, kami magkakaon ani karon this morning uban sa akong anak. Then I'm gonna share with him tong dragon fruit. Sukad-sukad wala pa ko ani nakakaon ani nga fruit. So, I will try this time dragon fruit. So, we'll see how it tastes. Kay ingon nila nindot daw ni sa atong panglawas pod. And fruit is also good for us. So, let's see how it looks. Amo na nang gikat o amo na nang gikonsak mo anak. So, this time, I'm gonna eat the part of this one. Para siyang kiwi. Ayan. Parang kiwi. Ang iyang texture, ang iyang look sa inside. Kung nakakaon na mo og kiwi, para siyang kiwi ang look, ang iyang seeds. Kaya lang, ito'y color red or what do you call, purple? Is it look purple?
It's more reddish.
Kind of like reddish.
It's usually white, but there's different kinds of dragon fruit.
Yeah.
Are different. They have different colors.
Yeah, so it's gonna look nice. It's very attractive to see, you know. So I'm gonna try to eat this. Look yummy. So I'm gonna try and eat it. I'm gonna eat the other side in it. Let's see. Mura gyud siya og kiwi og lami. Mura siya kiwi. Okay yum. Not too bad. Daghan daw ni sa Pilipinas pero never eat before. So I'm gonna try here in the US. I don't know kung pila ni dia sa Pilipinas, but this one here, it's $5.99. So it is like around 250 or almost 300 pieces worth. Ang isa ka buok ani, isa ka buok. Look yum. Hey baby, you gonna come in here and try again? So you can see in the video. Come on, baby. Get your new spoon, baby. Come on, baby. Hurry up, because I'm gonna cut it in here soon. I'm just gonna make a better video. Get some spoon in there. Sure. I think so. I think this is. Okay, so get in here, baby. So they will see you. My son gonna eat. I'll show you guys. Sit down so they can see right there. Right here. Right there. My son right here. Show it to them how you eat it.
You just take a spoon and then you just scoop it out.
Okay.
Pretty much how you do it.
Okay, eat it. How it is. How it tastes.
Tastes like a kiwi.
It's like a kiwi. He's eating that one. You think you're gonna like it?
Like, tastes like a kiwi, and I kind of like kiwis, so.
Tell them. You're gonna try them. So I said, tell them if you're gonna try this. If you like it, tell them what's the taste so they know what it is. And
tastes like a kiwi. A little bit more blander than a kiwi, but still pretty much just tastes like a kiwi. It's just different color. And all the little black dots are seeds. And they're edible.
you need to talk to them right there to the viewer so they're gonna see you. So tell them if you've been eating kiwi before, so it tastes like kind of like that, right?
Yeah. I'm done for a bit.
Is it you recommend to eat it next time? Oh, you dropped the spoon. So yeah, my son, it seems like he like it. So let's see. It's not too bad really. So I'm gonna eat the rest of what I have right here. Not too bad. I'm done for right now eating on this dragon fruit. I'm gonna eat my real food. That means my Filipino food. I can't survive without Filipino food. So I have some here. I'm done with that one, so I'm gonna have rice. We have little light rice right here. Little rice. And I have some ta-da-da! Initlogang ampalaya. Look good. Initlogang ampalaya. And of course, dili pwedeng walang ginisang bagoong. Pampasarap apan padami ng makakain. You put some that one here. Look, yum. By the way, ako lang mukaon aning mga Filipino food kasi yung akong bana o akong anak, dili ni sila mukaon og atong pagkaon nga Filipino food. Pinili lang. Di na sila mukaog mga gulay. Labi na to. Kay pait kaayo ko na. So, dili na sila mukaon ani. So, ako lang. So, para ganahan ko sa mukaon, I invite some of my friends to come over or my friends invite me to their house and we're gonna eat some Filipino food. Kay, for some reason, wherever we go, whatever country we gonna go to, ang mga Pilipino, maghanap gid na sa atong mga pagkaon. Labi na ang mga Bisaya. Manghanap gid tag mga Bisaya nga food. Mga bulad, ginamus, o mga gulay, tinulang isda, tinulang manok. Naapo na diri sa US. So we always do that too. Magluto kami ng mga Pinoy food. Kaya lang, medyo kamahalan dito sa US. Mahal ang presyo. Pero okay na lang, para makakaon lamang ta sa ato nga food. So, thank you for watching, mga guys out there. Ayaw kalimot sa pag-subscribe sa akong vlog. So, just hit the subscribe below. Hit the subscribe so you can follow me para makasunod ka sa ako nga sunod nga vlog. Simple story for me living in America. So, Filipina life in America. So, ito, simple lang mga pagkaon na mo, mga ganito. Kay kung bisag unsa ato ang pagkaon, dinhi sa gawas, mangita ta og mga pagkaon nga ato ag yung Pinoy food. So, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. I'm gonna say bye for right now so I can finish my food. God bless.